Day 2 of Long Beach Formula Drift, and just waking up, getting the car. We're gonna take it to the car show, but here's one of the cars that are parked out front of the hotel. This 2000 hardtop with Evil S2K. Thing looks pretty much truck spec. Nice rims, solid, right? Cool. Say good morning, everybody. Day 2, Formula Drift. We're headed to the car show. We're gonna enter the Hellcat into the car show. 240 Acura 350. Nice. Oh, there's a Corolla right there. Oh. What's up?
Or solo?
Solo.
Solo? Okay, just stay right here. The fastest they ever go is 40 miles an hour.
40?
Yeah, average is like 30.
Oh, when they're drifting?
When they're drifting.
Dude, it looks so much faster.
Yeah.
So here's a Instagrammer, YouTuber, El Gato.
Gap Patrol.
Oh, look at this. They got a gap. That's cool. Oh, the cars up here are sick. So anyway, I was going back. I was gonna go check out this car here. This is El Gato's Hellcat with a Liberty Walk kit, I guess. Yeah. So anyway, yeah, I've seen this guy on Instagram. This car is fucking sick. It's got, oh man, look at those seats. Just carbon buckets, carbon steering wheel. Oh. No back seats. Rims are wide as hell. Damn. He's got like a chrome wrap. Carbon fiber inserts here. I know. Super sweet.
GTR.
Oh, there's a GTR right here. 2 GTRs. So how's this?
What code?
Say 86, right?
Yep. 86.
White body. Painted like a sky blue. Oh, you're good, you're good. Got a Lambo right here. How's this one? On the ground, on air, slammed. Super cool kit. I like it. I like how it's flat. And then they made the edges dark. It looks like a fighter jet. Right? Look at this one too. Same. Dude, that's awesome, right?
They did these lines on purpose.
Yeah, I know.
Grab it, bro.
What? Where's she going?
TSI, like a fighter jet.
Oh, 30 pesos. Oh, yeah, yeah. I like that. No step. I know. Dude, I like the... Oh, I know. I like the nostalgic look on the side. Cool. Old version of a Nissan car. Oh yeah, carbon fiber body. All around. I don't know if you can see it up close. There it is right there. Check Check it out. Full body. Oh, sick car, man. It's nice. Bro, you just made everybody's dream car here. What the hell? You made everybody's dream car here. This thing is sick. Miata. Nice looking Miata. Check that out. Wow. Race buckets. Oh, I was like, I thought you were getting into the car. Hey, bro, what are you doing? This is delivery car parts. You can fit an engine in the back. Whoa.
Yeah, that's
what the?
Supercharger.
I'm videotaping what I'm videotaping, okay? Oh man, look at this shit, man. Dude, so what are your thoughts? Yeah. How do you like the mainland car show? So many different cars, huh? I mean, it's funny, you would think what we see in Hawaii is a lot, but then when you come here, you see there's like so much more. Oh, you want to hit this row? What?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's a 22 RE. This is the old, remember the Toyota truck? It had this engine.
Yeah, what engine is this from?
Like, remember?
Oh, dude, how we built?
Where?
Where?
Oh, what?
Hey, look.
Oh, it's a Hawaii car. Sweet. What? Sorry.
It's funny, it doesn't.
Yeah, so this car's Hawaii car. Awesome. Yeah, but see, he needs the Hawaii plate. Another Miata.
Dude, sitting on.
Yeah. 2000 Supra. You gotta name them as you go. S2000 Supra. Acura. You get. I know. Nice. I mean, it cuts the air. He's definitely on air. He's definitely on air. What's that fat wing? Oh, chassis. Look at that. Chassis mount wing. Nice. Oh, look. He just unclip it too. He got like fast disconnects. Pull off the wing. Done.
This thing must have insane
Downforce.
Yeah.
No, I wonder if he tracks it.
No, dude. I don't know. Why wouldn't he? Dude, it's like totally.
I know. It's like a
probably
time
so
attack.
much traction on the back.
He's got to raise it up.
Oh yeah.
Whoa! Get back! Get back! It's an M3 though. See, there's the rims. It's a perfect example. Yeah, look. Steering wheel. Look. Okay, he has a telescoping steering wheel, so it pops forward. You see? That's what. It's cool. It's tight. Yeah, there's like too many cars to show them all, but I'll pick and choose which ones I bust out. This thing is pretty.
What the hell is this?
I think it's like a. It's. Oh, okay. So they used to have a Mitsubishi one, and it was like a Mitsubishi 3000 or something. No. And so this is the Pontiac version. See, so it says Mitsubishi. That's why it says Mitsubishi. So this was like a state of car. Here's the VR4. That's the one. So that's the one Mitsubishi that I know. And then this is the
newer one.
Pontiac version, right? It must be. These cars are like super fast. When they came out, it's all-wheel drive. Yeah, dude. It's like it was like a super fast car back in the 90s. Right? These were like super popular back in the 90s. Now, was it 90s, 2000s? 90s?
Yeah, they came out 90s.
I remember seeing one and it was like racing a motorcycle. Like catching him too.
Yeah.
All-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive, yeah.
Just to the floor, right?
I used to be all-wheel drive.
Okay.
That's all of them. I guess the base model is the front-wheel drive.
Oh, I see.
These are both VR4s though.
Gotcha. No, they're a clean example. Man, kept up. Nice. They look awesome. Perfect example, S2000. Clean. We could still do this. This would be easy to do. Right? No.
No.
It's just slammed.
You know it doesn't.
It does, but it just slammed.
Just an illusion.
Yeah, it's just super low.
Dude, the windows are good.
You know what it is what I always thought was cool was that if I pull up next to this car, I look at this wheel and I'm like, dang, that means that wheel is right there underneath the fender. It's so close to the fender. Check it out. It's not wide body though. I don't think it's
Doesn't
wide
it
body.
look so long right as well?
Yeah. What's up? So in order to run these rims, you gotta do a full. All the suspension gotta be redone. Oh, sorry, man. Sorry. Dang. What are those? 24s? Check out the rims. Look at the tires. There's barely any tire. How do you even get it on there?
Yeah.
That's a shiny rim, too. So in order to do that, he has to raise it and then put special suspension on it. Painted rear wing, painted body, cut out fender, looks like fiberglass, wide body. Hood vents. Dang. Front mount turbo.
Yeah, look at the lights. Did they like paint underneath?
Yeah,
Yep.
he probably took them off. You know what they do is they say keep the stock ones, you take them off, and a lot of guys keep the stock ones. They like those better. But I don't know.
You kind of have the stock ones. I mean, they look similar.
Yeah, but it's like redone, and I don't know. Like the guy that I sold it to, he was all, I'm gonna redo it. Oh, check this out. Okay, wait. Okay, so this car is full race. Right? This car is full race. Look, he's got the mirrors.
He set up a thing so that his trunk would stay open.
Oh, nice.
Wait, now you can close
Oh yeah, the hood. The attachments. That's
Yeah,
cool.
Yeah, but you don't need to have a stick up.
Yeah.
Dude, look at these seats.
Yeah, nobody wants to stick up. Oh. This your car?
Yeah.
Oh man, it's like out of a video game, man.
Oh yeah, I guess.
And it's on air too.
Oh, I'm kidding.
Oh, cool, man. You ever race it?
Did, yeah.
Oh wow. Oh, nice. Bro, it's a huh? We did. I'm from Hawaii, so we just brought I brought my Hellcat here, so we drag race it. We took it to Apple Valley. We were trying to mess around. We're trying to drift. Actually, I just took my kids. We went yesterday, and we tried to drift the Hellcat so that when we got here, we would know what drifting is or whatever.
Oh, cool.
Have a good example anyway.
Yeah.
And then so it was cool because we kind of got it down. I mean, I know Hellcat's not meant for that, but at least we got the feel of it. And then when they came and saw it, they were like, "Oh my God, they're going so fast!"
Yeah.
And then we entered the car show just because we were in town. So,
Hey.
and then it's cool that we get to come and see all the cars.
When are you guys going back?
You know, we go back on Sunday. So I leave. I'm storing the car here. The car's gonna stay here
Oh, okay.
for like a year,
Oh, okay.
and I'll go do some more race events throughout the year.
Right. Yeah, just have it here and then just go around.
Yeah, Hawaii doesn't have anything.
Oh, I just met some buddies. These last 2 weeks I was in Miami.
Uh-huh.
There were guys from Hawaii that were there. And I was talking to them about it, and their car got us too.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. So
But
I
they're
mean,
excited for a hot import night that's coming around some week.
oh yeah. Actually, it's this weekend.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's
okay.
right.
That's what it is. So
Yeah, that's funny. I was like, oh, I'm missing it, but I was like, oh, this is way better.
yeah. Well,
I mean, to see this kind of a race, because we've never been to a race event like this at all.
yeah, this is fun. This is really fun.
I mean, to see those cars coming around that corner, right, as
yeah.
fast as they're going,
Yeah.
and
these are the pros for sure.
yeah, and then we see them on like Instagram and YouTube and stuff, so it's kind of cool. But this is a
Oh,
basically a true example of a kid's dream car, maybe.
Video game car.
I know, right? This is what they make, right, in the video game. Cool. So R8 CB Race turbos. Let's take a look if we can see them. Oh, there's one right there. Another right there. Basically, street pipe right out here. Here it is. Ooh, haha, STI. What the? He's calling out the Subarus.
What?
He's calling out the Subarus.
Haha, STI.
It must be fast. Dude, I keep doing that. Sorry. You go in front of me.
That's crazy. You could.
Carbon. No, Phoenix. Stop nudging out your sister. She doesn't matter. She doesn't know what this is.
Is it ideal for that to be made of carbon fiber?
It's super light.
It's super
Super
light.
light. Right?
Really
Is it strong enough? For
more
that?
strong.
I mean, imagine the weight of a rim compared to no weight on a rim. Rolling resistance. It's probably, you know, if you have a super light wheel, then it's just gonna be the car faster.
Okay, so you're saying all the pros have this?
I doubt it. It's probably too expensive for a drift car. I don't know. I mean,
Technically more strong.
so you come around here, bump that wall. Bump around here, bump this wall right here. Bump that wall over there. Background there's Chelsea Denofa in the Ford. He's a super good contender to win this. It's going to be him, and he's going to be going against James Dean right behind. They both been driving the Fords. Behind that is Adam LC in the back. Practice round. Sorry, we're at the practice round, and we're just getting some shots of them doing a little tandem. It's you know, everybody's trying to play it safe right now. I think you know, wide runs on the lead vehicle, and then Chase is just trying to keep proximity with the front car. So you can see him shooting in after this transition right here, and then they're shooting in like right out here. And then but they're not getting too close. Actually, Adam LZ, he actually almost crashed right here. I got another car coming. Hang on. So that was Chelsea Denofa in that lead run, and you could see his angle was so deep, right? His angle was, yeah, you saw his angle? Yeah. He was like sideways, man. And that's his thing.
He was going against Wang, right?
Oh, right. You're right. Forrest Wang, the guy from Hawaii.
So the lead guy has to go kind of like, he has to make it kind of difficult while making a good lead.
Right, so you want that deep angle, right? So he was like totally sideways coming around this corner.
Perfect.
And then Wang had to shoot in, but he didn't want to shoot in too deep. It was like,
not yet.
Whatever, yeah.
Not yet, dude. Yeah, that's crazy thing is when it actually starts, dude. They're gonna start digging in.
Yeah. Closing the gap.
Closing that gap. They can't super close.
not seeing the angle. I'm not seeing the angle that Denofa put out.
Man, a lot of.
I mean, angle. I mean, he was supersized. I'm gonna actually review the video. Hang on.
A lot of.
Another thing is they got to. It's weird with the higher horsepower cars. It's probably, you know, everybody's playing chase, probably not prepared, and then they're trying to get on it either with nitrous or a turbo kick.
Oh yeah.
Right.
That's.
Right, because you know they're pushing in hard, and then all of a sudden, oh, like what? And they have to like, you know, step it up to close the gap quickly. There's almost no time to think. I mean, this is like a 12-second run. If you timed it, it's like a 12-second run. Car show is packed. The end of Formula Drift. Who's the winner?
Matt Field and the C6 Corvette.
Yeah. The people that I thought were gonna win didn't win, but you know, or that's kind of competition it is. Anybody can win at any competition. You know, it just if you get lucky, you do the right line, your car is set up correctly. But yeah, it was fun. It was exciting. We got to see a bunch of cool cars. We're still in the parking lot trying to get out after the car show. How about you, Mia? What do you think?
Yeah, that was really cool.
Yeah.
Once we started watching the top 16, every single match was just like,
Yeah, dude, I like Ryan Tuerk.
With the Corolla.
Yeah, Chelsea Denofa, James Dean, and Forrest Wing. The people that I thought were gonna kind of make it further actually only made it to top 16.
Yeah, they made it to the first round, right? Or the second round, actually.
Yeah, the second round.
Right.
But I thought they were gonna go a lot
Top
further.
32 went down to 16.
Oh, dude, he's rapping. Oh man, do it. Dude, they like it.
But anyway, they're having a revving match right now, and I got distracted in the middle of our video.
Oh man, this is important.
Oh, that guy, he's getting pops. That's what he's doing. He's trying to get this thing to pop. There it is. No, I don't think ours pops. Oh, this guy's popped. everyone. I think it was a successful trip. We got the drag race. We got to do a little drift in the little fun at the skid pad, and you know now we got to head home, and hopefully we can recreate this and another event or another time shortly. Cool.
Cool.
Good time, Mia. Mia's on a drift now.
Hey.
Dude, you swung the Hellcat around, man. It freaked me out, but I went with it. And Phoenix knows how to take the Hellcat into the dirt.
I did it. Hey man, I did a Chelsea de Nova.
All right. Well, anyway, thanks. All right.
You